As a business owner, I will always need to have a detailed reporting of my customers' performance. No matter the app I use in Odoo, I get clear reports. I have just started using Odoo for my sales. The first time I have browsed to the sales analysis, I have the pivot table. Here, it contains the revenues for December. I customize the report to fit with my KPIs. I have the total price instead of the untaxed amount. I'd like to show specific data. For example, I can drill up the sales team column. What I need to know is the distribution of sales between the different salespeople. I drill down to show this information. Should I need more, like the customer's build, I drill down from the other axis. Now, I have the total sales activity per salesperson and customer. That's great. I can explore any data in depth. I'm satisfied with this report. I save it as a favorite and tick this checkbox. As a result, every time I will browse to Odoo Sales Reports, it will appear by default. My report is 100% compatible with Excel. I can export it at any time for further analysis. In my Odoo Sales Reports, I have multiple views. Each of them displays the data in a different and meaningful way. I use the advanced search view to group my sales per customer or per product. I change the metrics to the quantity invoiced. And I save this report in my dashboard. Therefore, I have a quick access to all my reports from any app, no matter the device I use. Use Odoo Report to get great analytics and take informed decisions.